sheet pan kofta kebabs, or call it sheet pan ground beef kebabs at home. You can make it under 1 hour of your time.
As the bowl.
2 pounds of the ground beef. This is grass fed. 90-10. 90 is the lean, 10 is the fat. 12 lbs of the ground beef. Ground beef should be at room temperature when you're making it. Let's start with the onion. 1 large onion, we will dice it and then we will be processing it. Cube the onion, of course peel it and then cube it out. Make small cubes out of it. Let's process the onion. So we have our onion. It has some water, so try to squeeze the water out of it. We can get rid of the water. 10 to 12 cloves of fresh garlic, 15 grams of fresh ginger, 3 green chilies. Do add it, it gives nice flavor, fresh flavor. So we are all processing these vegetables now. Some mint leaves and some coriander. And it goes all in here. Process this. So here it is. Easy. All fresh herbs are processed. Now let's take dry spice blender. 1 tablespoon of the cumin, 1 tablespoon of the coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of the black pepper powder, red chili powder, 1 tablespoon, table salt, 1 tablespoon, grind cumin and coriander. Freshly grounded cumin and coriander, smell that. This is so fragrant. Secret is add cornstarch. It will keep the kebabs intact. We'll take 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch on top. Let me give you another secret. If you can find any kebab masala, you can definitely use that. It will take your recipe to the next level. Add 1 tablespoon of masala and here you go. Let's mix this up. You can put it in a mixer as well. It's ready. This is what we wanted. Whole 2 pound of the ground beef is deliciously seasoned. Let's turn on our oven. We will put it at bake. Temperature we need 450. Grab the sheet pan, whatever size you prefer. I'm using the smaller one. We'll spray some olive oil at the base. And here goes our delicious all of the ground beef. So look at this. Just spread it. Give it another layer of the olive oil spray. Ground beef kofta kebabs are in a tray. You will take dough cutter or dough scraper. Alright, now make the Seekh Kebabs. Let me do it here. So we don't need too big. Just cut it and separate it. How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beautiful Seekh Kebabs. And have some cuts like this. Take some olive oil spray and final touches. Individually spray each of them. And here you go. Let's put this in the oven at least for 30 minutes. You'll serve this with the naan bread and we'll make sandwiches out of it. And here you go. Put close to the fire for 30 minutes. Let's make some salad which goes with the Seekh Kebabs. 1 onion, slice it. Once you slice it, add it in here, spread it out. Fresh tomatoes, some sweet chilies. These are seedless. They will give a perfect flavor to it. Cut it, make it elongated so it matches the tomatoes and onion. Here you go. Take some dill weed. It tastes so nice together. So 1 tablespoon of dill weed, half tablespoon of the salt, 2 fresh lemons. Squeeze it. We just need the fresh lemon juice in there. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of the olive oil in here. Yummylicious salad, perfectly ready. Goes in the sandwiches, or you can just eat it with this spoon and you will be happy. Stone fried naan breads, you can have these, or if you want to make a wrap, you will need a tortilla, wheat tortilla. 30 minutes later, here are our delicious ground beef kofta kebabs. Whoa, they look yum. Yes, they have the crust on it. Let's remove the extra oil. Every single kebab is separated. Bring some extra shine on it. Mint and cilantro mix. You can serve it just like this. Easy, homemade, delicious beef Seekh Kofta kebabs or ground beef kebabs are completely ready. Serve it like this with the naan bread, some chutney sauce, salad, or you make a wrap out of it. We will do both. This is the taste test, and let's do a serving as well. This is our delicious kebab. Put it like this for the serving. Look at this combo: naan bread, Seekh kebabs, salad, and raita or chutney. Let's make a sandwich out of it. Ranch, mayo, whatever you like. Some fresh salad, whole kebab. Take some raita. Let's cover it. So this will be the delicious kofta wrap sandwich. All perfectly cooked. So yum. Easy, homemade, delicious, no hassle. Ground beef Seekh kebabs are completely ready. Serve it like this, serve the way you want it. Put it on naan bread, close it. This is your bite. Oh my god.